Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. We're going to get right into it. We don't want this to be long and drawn out. So I have natural nails and I had them cut down, but I'm trying to let them grow. And I did a video on how I do my French manicures and stuff like that. This one had broke, so I kind of am letting that grow again. And yeah, so these are my nails, and I like to keep them short because I braid hair. I do a lot of housework, building projects, do a lot of different things. So I'm putting a glove on. I'm going to show you how, when I have this happen, come on, focus, focus. This happen, where a nail breaks like that, how I fix that when my nails are already short, so that way I don't have to have some nails long, some nails short. And all you're gonna need is some glue of your choice, and I use this Beauty Secrets by Sally's. I get this from Sally's, and I like it because no matter what you do, this will not clog. And that's why I love this glue, because it has this little spigot thing that goes into there here, and it, no matter if it tips over or whatever, like unlike other glues that clog up and you waste them, you have to bust them open, try to crack the top off, all that craziness. You don't have to do that. This is my nail polish remover, which is a natural remover. It has no smell. You see that? Made with natural ingredients. This lasts me a couple years. You do not need much. It's like an oil, kind of oil base, so it doesn't dry out. Like literally one cotton swab can almost take off all my polish, and I usually put like 3 coats of polish on my nails. So anywho, let's move on. I'm gonna take this polish I have on. I have some Nail Envy on. I always put that on, which is a great nail polish to help strengthen and grow your nails. And then I have the Sally Hansen strengthening and top coat. I usually put that on, 2 coats of that, when I'm wearing just a natural look, to give my nails a break from nail polish. So I'm gonna take that off, and I ain't gonna bore you. Let me get this off and I'll be right back. Okay, it's off. But this is like an oil base, so it looks kind of shiny. So I'm gonna take the other part of the Q-tip and flip it over after I get majority off. Now, you can't even tell because it's blended so good. This has a, come on. This side already has a piece of paper towel on here, and I smoothed it out very well, and you can't even tell. Or was it? Yeah. This side, this has paper towel. This one was a lazy piece that I did, but it's securing my nails so it won't come off, so I'm not worried about that. But since I have to do it over, I said, let me show you how I'm going to do that. And it's so simple. You're literally going to take some tweezers, and you're going to pinch a little piece of paper towel off like that. And what I like to do is wet the nail first in the area where the chip is, like I'm getting ready to do, like that. And this is how to protect your natural nails, so that way you don't have to clip them off if you don't want to have uneven nails. Oh, come on, camera. And then you allow that paper towel to be submerged in this glue. So see how I'm pressing it down like that? Then after I get it where I want it, I'm gonna put glue on top of it. So now this is a nice natural way to protect your nails. I know, it's stuck. Just press it. I'm not editing this. I don't have time for all that. It's late. It's like 10 o'clock. And I noticed I went to scratch my head and my nail was flipping back. And I was like, oh no, we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want it. We're trying to save them so they can grow. Then when it grows out, I can file it down and clip it a little bit. So I'm gonna let this dry, because what I'm trying to do is pull it over to the end as much as possible. But it can't dry if I keep moving it. So I kind of use this metal and hold it, and I blow on it so that it'll dry. Right where I want it. And this will seal up that crack. Once it dries where I want it, I'm gonna come back and put some more glue on top of it. And that way I don't have to file my nail off. I don't have to file my nail off. It's already short, so I really don't want to file it off. So yeah, let's pause. So as I'm gluing it, touching it with the glue, letting the glue dry, I'm pressing my tweezers down on it just to make sure nothing is sticking up or anything like that. So I'm just pressing it down like so. And now I'm gonna take and put some more glue on top. And that's gonna help to really bond that napkin. It's so amazing because the napkin just gets hard and just forms a protection. It doesn't get soggy, and it literally turns into like a stiff piece of nail. Like, it's amazing how this works. I remember some years ago I tried tea bags and I didn't like the tea bags. I feel like napkins adhere to the glue better and napkins look better. And this is not even done. I'm just showing you this. I'm gonna let it dry and put it in front of the fan, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. It is dry. So all you do now is you take your buffer and go in one direction. Do not go in many directions. You don't want to really file your nail. You just want to kind of get that rough texture of that napkin down. So you're just going to file it like so. Try to make the video short, but then I want to make them as detailed so people are not lost. Like, wait a minute, wait, how did she do this or how did she do that? I hate when people do videos like that and they just leave you hanging and you're like, okay, so did I do it right? So look, I'm filing it and it is just being smoothed out and it's looking like my natural nail. So you want to, I'm buffing it basically. I don't want to do nothing too harsh because I don't want to make my nail thinner or make it look, you know, or it get weakened. So now I can see that there's a little bit of a lump right here. So I'm going to take the soft side of this and just one direction, just go one direction just to get that bump off, just that little bump. That's it. Then I'm going to take this and go back and buff it again. Make sure I'm buffing the tip, make sure nothing is in that area, and that's it. You have repaired your natural nail. And so now I'm going to take my nail envy. Actually, I'm going to go over with this one more time just to get off anything that doesn't look good. See that? Now you could buff it more, but my thing is I'm going to be wearing clear nails, so you really can't tell. But I'm just going in the direction of these stuff, so that way I'm only filing that down, not my nail. Just keep touching it until you get it smooth as you think you like it, your desire. That way it'll look natural as possible. And that's it. For me, I'm good. I don't have to be perfect, but once you put this on there, you really won't be able to tell. So now I'm taking my nail envy and I'm going to go over all of that like so. This happens to be what act up when I do a video where it looks all white. It never usually does, but still, it's not bad for a broken nail. Just wanted to share that. And you can buff that out more and do all that extraness, but you got the gist of what it is I'm trying to do. And just to protect your nail, like I said, this was a break. And that is, my nail is not broken anymore. It's nice and firm. And that way I can let them grow out and don't have to worry about peeling them down low and having uneven nails. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. And now I'm going to go in with this and put this on top as well. So it's still going to be strengthened and give it a nice thick coating. And I'm done. That is it. So all I used was some, strengthener of choice, some glue, and paper towel. If your nail is already natural, doesn't have any polish on it, you don't have to worry about using that. But you see, I use a little teeny piece of paper towel, not much at all. So that is how I repair my natural nail and get it looking okay. Oh, I could file this side just a little bit there because it does look like it's kind of look wide. You can file it and everything just like it's your regular nail. So yeah, yep. I hope this video was helpful to you. It's late. I need to get in bed. I'm tired. I've been cooking and recording and actually did my radio show tonight. So I am like ready to lay it down. Let me put some more polish over this. Didn't want this to be too long, but yeah. There we go. Yep. So that's the natural nail repair. How it looks after the break. All right, guys, later gators. If you have any questions, put it below. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified every time I load a new video. But the subscribing will add you to my family, so you want to make sure you do that, and that is free, guys. So I will talk to you guys later gators.